After a fight against a powerful villain with psychic powers, it would alter Tony Stark's mind, bringing out his arrogant and aggressive personality. He would create an app called Extremis, a virus that improves the lives of humans, making them more attractive, intelligent, and healthy. But this comes at an exorbitant cost, a cost that few can afford. Daredevil had no choice but to stop him, entering after a big party on his personal island to sedate him and take him away. But unfortunately, Tony had anticipated it all. As he wakes up, he feels something strange. Tony had given him back his sight. He could see for the first time since he was a little boy. But of course, it's temporary. After seeing what he intended, Daredevil turns down his offer even knowing he could lose his vision at any moment. So he runs to his best friend's house to make use of the little time he has left and see him for the first time. But unfortunately, his vision slowly begins to fade until he can no longer see his friend.